I just got the Willow Wave and this is my very first time using it. And just to clarify, I did already sterilize the parts. I am also using one of Willow's nipple inserts that is sold separately. For my initial thoughts on this product, I'm so impressed. This is truly so easy to put together, especially for a manual pump. I was not one of the official testers from Willow, so I bought this the first day it came out. As we know, Willow is super innovative, so they do have a switch to go back and forth between stimulation and expression. Other manual pumps out there are kind of hit and miss if they have the stimulation mode, so I'm really glad that Willow did not skip that. And I did not realize this part when I bought it, but they actually have 2 levels for expression mode, and that I am super impressed with. And it's super easy. All you have to do is flip the switch between 1 and 2. Now, I'm going to be very honest. I don't know that this is really that much easier on your hand. However, I do think that the level of suction is far superior to the other manual pumps I've tried. And I think that's a fair trade-off. It's truly such an innovative design, and I gotta hand it to them. I really do love this pump. As you can see, my baby is older. He is actually about 13 months right now. So my supply really isn't what it used to be, but I knew with how much I love the Willow brand, I had to try this out. And I will say I did experience a letdown here pretty quickly, and in the short time that I was actually pumping, I got a full ounce. And always remember, don't compare your supply to someone else's. Everyone's breastfeeding journey is different. Keep in mind that it can take time to get acclimated to any new pump. And just one more thing I have to tell you, you're doing amazing, mama.